Yo, guys, things are really not looking well for Ushebeshit. Things are really not looking well. It looks like this thing of him being in prison is like really, really serious, and it also looks like he might be there for years because it keeps on getting guningia, it's a lot. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Please make sure that you click that subscribe button and you also like this video. I bring you celebrity gossip each and every day. So Shabashit has been applying for e-bail and he has not been getting e-bail. You know, from last year he has been in prison. He got arrested. I can't even remember when, but he has been gone for a while. So he applied for e-bail not long ago and it was also rejected. I think he has applied like 4 or 3 times for e-bail, but he keeps on getting rejected. So now his bail has been postponed to September, guys. His bail, court appearance, not bail. His court appearance has been postponed to September because a lot has been happening. So the state has applied to add 2 counts, from the counts that he had. Now they have added 2 counts: a culpable homicide and a reckless or negligent driving. So for those who don't know, he got arrested because of a road rage. They were just driving there, and then you know most how it is on the road. I think he was under the influence of alcohol, if I'm not mistaken. So he took out his gun and shot the person that he was arguing with there on the road. Shot the guy, I think, on the stomach, if I'm also not mistaken. And then, obviously, he had to be arrested. He handed himself over to the police to get arrested. So the case has been going on and on. He has not been sentenced yet, because they are still doing investigations and other things. And Shebeshit, even before he got into the fight here, road rage, and shot that guy in the stomach while they were fighting on the road, he had other things that he was facing, other crimes that he has done. So this thing here, road rage and shooting that guy, has escalated to those other crimes being added to what he already had. So now they have also added other 2 counts, which is the reckless driving, because they were fighting on the road because of reckless driving, Vele, and culpable homicide. So a lot is happening for Ushabeshit, guys, and we miss him. Like, not all of us, okay, but some of us really miss him. But also, he needs to face the consequences. You can't just be going around shooting people because of a road rage. Like, sometimes you need to, know how to control yourself, or maybe just walk away. You don't have to shoot someone on the road because of he driving. Like, that's just so uncalled for. So it's a good thing that he handed himself over, but a lot of things are just coming up now. So it looks like he might be in prison for a long time because sana kuningi for him, like kuningi.